Hi there, welcome back to IT Genius Cyber, and it's Nelly Toha Tech once again in this tutorial. And today we are going to learn things to do with smart TV, all TVs, and how to control your TV remotely. If I'm assuming this time you're not having your remote with you and you're having some complications with your remote. Thanks for the 600 53 subscribers and 18.36k views. Wow, that's a great achievement. Okay, so besides that, I'll still recall those who don't know how to subscribe to IT Genius. So go to your YouTube, search for IT Genius like how I'm doing, then hit the subscription button plus the bell icon. Or if you don't know how to view our videos in a good quality mode, just tap on any video, maybe that, and after that tap on the video, pause it, tap on it, then go here in the right corner, then go to where you're having auto, so you choose auto, then select the video quality mode that you want to view. So yours might not be automated to 240 pixels or 144 pixels, any format. So whatever pixels it's automated to, try to adjust and put it to a higher quality. Then after that, maybe you this time you want 480, so switch to 480, then the different animations, so I tap that, then I can remove all of them, so like it is this. Clear now, so like that. All right, so besides that, let's go back to our main point while we're here. So first of all, I'm going to require you to before we head to that, I don't want any messages, so I'll switch off my data. Okay, I don't want any messages, I don't want any calls. Yeah, all right, so what you have to do is you need to have an application called P Remote. If you don't know how to find it, I'm going to provide it in the link of this very video, the link description area. So I'm going to provide it down here so that you can be able to get this P Remote. Yeah, you might see them different shortcuts, but it's one. Okay, so besides that, open the P Remote just like that. Okay, all right, so let us try to move a bit. So let me assume you're having your TV with you. I'll see that say mine is this way, so I'm kind of somewhere. So this is the TV. First of all, what you have to do is switch on your TV. Then maybe it's showing that red light, so find out the type of your TV. That one is called Skyworth. So after knowing it, then come to the phone now. Come to the phone now, then find Skyworth up here. Okay, let's try to go in light so that you can view very well. Okay, so we have Hisense, Samsung, Sony, Braham, Sony TV, Skyworth is here, Sharp TV is here, then Videocom, Smartech. So if it's not among here, then you have to tap this plus where you're seeing plus. So you tap plus, you come here, you look for your TV, if it's a TV, if it's a set-top box, if it's a home projector, sound, theater, AV receiver, HDMI switch, sound bar. And a media, we have DVD, can also work on DVD. You don't require any network. You see, I'm running airplane mode already. So when we go to streaming, we have streaming media player, we have home, we have air conditioner, air cooler. You can customize your own remote. So if it's a TV, you tap here under TVs. So you have the default one. We have Samsung, Sony, LG, and we have Videocon, Panasonic, or Ninja. All of them, I've not seen that one before. Micromax, then Toshiba, So if it's not amongst these, then you show other brands. You look through this, then you find your TV. Or you can search here, your TV may be Hisense. So Hisense is there. If it's any TV, Braham, it's there. Every TV is included there. So I already have mine, Skyworth. It's there. So you tap Skyworth. We go back. We go back. So this is the remote. So if I attempt to tap here, that means I have to switch on the TV. If I tap it, that means so I can decide to.
A lot more from Esteban Chavez. He's in 19th position overall, and they were expecting stage victory. Yes. Yeah. Here he is, number 148, Willie Smith, one of the great stories of this year's race. He's overcome a lot in his life, and he shared it on social media earlier on.
Try to decrease the volume.
Decommissioning landmines.
Sorry for the background music.
Issues with his mother, who was an alcoholic and had abusive partners throughout her life as well. Been taken away by child services and raised by his grandparents to a large extent. That crash in Oviedo.
I decrease due to that volume. Okay. So here I can scroll up. Can go to menu. To menu. So that's the menu. I can attempt to down and up. Just like that. Then I can attempt to exit. Okay, like that. I can attempt to put input. Input is here. Right here, input. Then choose input. Then scroll down like this. Then I can attempt to press exit. I remove it. So after that, I can change to channel. You have down here troubleshoot remote. If it is jammed or someone, then I can attempt to switch off like that. So if at all I want to still put it on like that, then I press this, then I switch on again like that. Okay, so I don't want you to say like this is only working to only one mode. Not only one mode, all modes can work, because I can still attempt to put input. Then scroll down here, press OK, like that. Still got input. Back to that.
Okay, this is an
Okay, so like that. They got them to switch off. So besides that, going down to another video, another TV to show you. I don't want you to say that this is only working to one TV. So I'll go down. Oh, battery. So this is a Sony TV. Okay. So I can attempt to switch on. Switching on. Here I look for Sony. I'm just here. Sony. And if I attempt to, now this is Sony. Try hard to see that you're working with Sony. Oh. Here. Then I can attempt to decrease the voice or increase the voice, whatever I want. So if I attempt to put input, where is input? Okay, input is this way. Then I down like this. And attempt to put that off. Input again. Then I scroll down. Then go back to TV like that. Then I can go to menu. Then I can tell them to go down like this or go up. So that's how it really works. So don't say that it's only working on one TV or what. Then I can attempt to switch off. And oops, sorry, it's off. So I don't want you to say that this is only working on one TV. All what you have to do is find your specific remote and switch on it, customize your remote, then go to your TV and turn on all different commands listed below here, just like that. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe on ITG and Cyber. Until next time. Well, let us switch off this one too. Oh, here. Okay.